Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold fall 0.4% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The chief executive of one of the world's biggest shipping insurers has warned of the growing risk of a disastrous oil spill after the knock-on effects of sanctions on Russia left thousands more ships without third-party liability cover from well-tested insurers. The bank, created by the UBS takeover of Credit Suisse, is poised to reduce its workforce by 20 to 30%, Swiss daily Tages-Anzeiger reported, citing a senior UBS manager. The Chinese currency renminbi, or the yuan, has surpassed the euro to become Brazil's second-largest international reserve currency, according to a report of the Banco Central do Brasil, the Brazilian central bank.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI at 0500 hours GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's monetary base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.